months of renovations, Kith has officially reopened its retail outlet in Manhattan, allowing consumers to once again experience the newest releases on Lafayette Street. Ronnie Fieg's retail business launched its most recent initiative with ASICS swiftly and quietly after the 2010 Kith x New Balance partnership got things started. 6 pairs of sneakers, 2 Gel-Nimbus 10.1s, 2 Gel-Kayano 12.1s, a Gel-Nunobiki, and a Jog 100s, were posted online by users on Reddit and eBay as part of Kith's new ASICS project. If GR colorways weren't subtly incorporated into each pair's design, you wouldn't be mistaken. Metallic silvers and grays blend with cream and brown hues on the Jog 100s. The insole of both shoes is reserved for Kith branding. The Kith x ASICS Jog 100s Vintage Stack, Espresso will be available for purchase on June 9, 2025, for $110 at Kith stores and on kith.com.